All right, so for circles, you need to remember a formula that it's x minus x center squared plus the y minus the y center squared is equal to the radius squared. So it's a matter of just remembering that formula, unfortunately, and then plugging in the appropriate numbers. So we have x minus our x center is -6 squared plus y minus the y center, which is -4 squared, equals, and then the radius is 3, so we're going to have 3 squared. And when you look at that formula, it is very similar to the distance formula, which makes sense because when we talk about a radius, the radius is going to be all, or the circle is going to have all points that have a radius of 3, a distance of 3 from the center. And so then you get your x plus 6 quantity squared plus y plus 4 quantity squared is equal to 9. And we could ask you this question, of course, in two ways. We could say, here's the center, here's the radius, come up with the equation of the circle. Or what we could do is we could ask you, given this format of the circle, find the center and the radius. So if that was the question, it's just important to realize that you always take the opposite sign of what is inside of the parentheses. So it's the opposite sign of the parentheses squared, and then the square root of this number, the radius, because remember it's the radius squared. So if you were just given this equation and said, what is the center? You would say that the center is -6, opposite sign, -4, opposite sign, and then the radius is equal to 3.